standing in Henderson at Mission Hills Estates by Lennar. These are pretty cool homes. One good thing about these is most of everything you see you get, except for the flooring. But all your granite and everything you'll see in this home tour will be included the covered patio, just the flooring you can pick out yourself or go with their basic 17-inch tile in the wet areas and carpet in the rest of the house. But other than that, this house comes with gray two-tone paint included in the price. And I did peek my head in there. It's pretty nice, pretty impressive. Great kitchen appliance package. So let's go take a look. Like I said, we are standing in Henderson. We're at the corner of Mission and College. So there's not much town behind you. Actually, just behind you is a bunch of really, really nice customs. A lot of them on an acre lot. So pretty nice location here, close to the freeway. That is one thing, caveat about this little development, is that wall is a sound wall, and beyond it is our 95 freeway. So some people probably won't like that much, but I gotta tell you, when I was in the house, I didn't hear any cars. So, but at the prices that these are starting at, $481 for 3468 square feet, and everything being included, it's sort of a bargain on a new home. So let's go take a look. Okay guys, this is residence 4. This house is $490,990 and it is 35 square feet. But the cool thing about this house is total mother-in-law quarters. It's attached. It's not a casita, but they call it like 2 families under one roof, or next gen. You know, you've got somebody living with you or whatever. Very nice. This two-tone paint is included. Okay. Everything but the floors will be standard. So this right here would be the garage, but they're currently using it for an office, so it would be locked. But we do have a coat closet here. Nice big one, actually. Formal dining. I really wouldn't call that a living room. I mean, maybe a sitting area. Let's go to the left here first. Oh, getting dark on us. And we have a bathroom. So this would just be a half bath for downstairs use. Got some storage here. Nice. Wow, so this must be the mother-in-law quarters. You know what? I'm going to get to this later. Let's see the rest of the house. And we'll come back to this. Here's a family room. Good size. Why all these lights are off. There we go. Nice kitchen, guys. Big center island. Just about everybody's doing these center islands now. These things are a real hit. Everybody loves them. Double oven, built-in microwave, gray granite countertops, nice deep sink, Look at that Whopper fridge, man. And that guy is included too in the price. Nice pantry. That's a big fridge to come stock. Excuse me. And nice desk with shelves and storage. So you can sit there and do your bills or put your laptop there. We have one of those in my house. That's what we use it for. So let me get over here in the corner. Backyard, covered patio. Not much of a backyard besides the patio on this one though, unfortunately. But the house is so big. But at least you have the covered patio. But boy, you're not going to get much of a pool in there, at least on this lot. I'm sure you could pick a lot that was a little deeper. Probably have to pay a premium, but on this lot, that's about it, guys. Let's take a quick tour of upstairs and see what it has to offer us. Yeah, all these stair railings are included. Nice wood. I actually love the wood. Most of the new houses I've been going to are steel, going with the ultra modern stuff. All right, nice. Nice big loft up here. This thing's, I want to say 18, probably 18 by 18 at its widest point there. Let's take a look from the corner. Very nice. And it looks like this is the master. Which is good size because you can see how wide those nightstands are. That's not even a nightstand, that's a table over here. All these houses come with Ring doorbells, you know, with the camera, so you can see if somebody's stealing your Amazon packages. Let's take a look at our master bath. Good sized tub, separate sinks. Vanity area over here. Decent sized shower. Here's your potty room. Here's your walk-in closet. It's funny that they put some clothes in here. Just a couple shirts, a couple pairs of shoes. Nice big bathroom overall. Let's check out the secondary bedrooms. Here we got our laundry. With storage. And a sink with cabinets. Wow, look at this. Now that's a big linen closet. And here's your access to all your smart controls. This is a big linen closet. You could put all your stuff in there, and plus a treadmill or something too if you wanted to. All right, decent sized bedroom. I'm gonna say 11 by 12. But it has its own walk-in closet, which is a decent size actually. This would be your upstairs bathroom. Your bedrooms to use. Normal tub shower and toilet. All right, this bedroom's probably 12 by 13, maybe 12 by 14. And that just has a normal sliding door closet. So that's about the whole upstairs, guys. Let's run down and take a look at the mother-in-law quarters. Which it's nice that it's on the first floor. If you've got someone up in their years that doesn't want to climb the stairs, this could be the house for you. Okay, so here's where we came in. I'm standing right in front of the front door again. So let's look at the mother-in-law quarters, which is one of the main selling features of this home. It's good size. It's got everything except for its own little stove. So they've put a little portable electric stove there, but it does have a little oven. And its own cabinets. So, I mean, this is basically a full kitchen without the stove. Unless you buy a portable one. Look at this. It's got its own exterior entrance on the side of the house. So even if you didn't have someone living with you, if you ever had guests, which, like I always say, you're coming from another town, you moved to Las Vegas, and you've got friends, you're gonna have guests. And they wanna stay out all night partying on the strip, and you don't, because you live here, you've been there, done that. They got their own door to come in. They don't have to wake the whole family up. And they've got their own bathroom to take a shower. All these are motion detected too, guys. I just stick my hand in the door. Light comes on. How cool is that? So full bath here. What do we have here? Linen closet. Oh, look at that. Hard to see, but that's a washer and dryer. And own separate bedroom. This is probably 14 by 15. And one other cool thing. Got its own door to the backyard. All in all, pretty interesting house. I do like that this house doesn't have $150,000 in upgrades in it. Basically, just the tile floors. The rest of everything you see is included. Not the washer and dryer, but the main fridge in the kitchen is. These blinds are included. So I don't believe the curtains and the curtain rods will be included, but it'll be a decorator item. But the blinds will. He said the blinds are included. So yeah, if you're looking for a house and you've got either an adult child or mother-in-law, friend, whatever, you got somebody living with you, and they wanted their own little pad inside your pad, this may be something for you guys to consider. Located right here in Henderson. All right, guys, that's about the end of this house, so that'll wrap up this tour. I appreciate you going on it with me. I'm Kendall Trotter. If you have any questions about this house or any other house in the Las Vegas Valley, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information will be in the description. Thanks again. Rock on. God bless.